English learners. Welcome to the English Podcast Arena.
Hey, John. Welcome back to English Podcast Arena. It's so great to have you with us today. How are you feeling this morning?
Hey, Amelia. I'm doing okay. I had a big cup of coffee and an even bigger to-do list, but I'm ready. You?
Same here. Coffee number 2. And I'm excited because today we're talking about something everyone feels but rarely says out loud. Why is life so hard sometimes?
Yes, that question. It's heavy, but in a good way. We're not doing a lecture. This is a friendly, comforting chat. Two friends. Real talk.
Exactly. This is for learners who want to practice listening and also feel less alone. We'll use simple language, share examples, and keep it natural.
And we'll throw in some phrases you can use when you want to talk about hard times in English. Ready?
Ready. Let's start with a little small talk. How was your week?
It was busy. Work got intense. Deadlines, meetings, and one of those coffee machine meltdowns in the office.
Oh no. The coffee machine meltdown is the modern tragedy. Uh, I had a small victory. I finally finished a painting I'd been stuck on for months.
That's awesome. See, life mixes the hard and the good, big stresses and small wins at the same time.
That's a great point. Let's say that again. Life mixes hard things with small wins. It's like a weird recipe.
Right. Now, why is life hard sometimes? There are many reasons. We'll talk about 3 big ones: change, expectations, and uncertainty. Then we'll give comfort and useful language.
Perfect. First, change. Change can feel scary. Even good change, like a new job or moving, can be stressful.
Totally. A friend of mine moved cities last year. He was excited, but then felt lonely. The apartment was new, the job was good, but he missed people and routine.
That's so normal. When routine breaks, our brain likes to worry. Routine is a safety blanket. Without it, we feel unsteady.
Phrase time. I'm out of my comfort zone. You can say that when you try something new and it feels hard.
Also, I'm adjusting. Short, useful. And it takes time to settle in.
Good. Second big reason. Expectations. We expect a lot from ourselves, from others, from life. When reality doesn't match, we feel pain.
I remember thinking my 20s would be clear and simple. Spoiler, it wasn't. Laugh softly. I compared myself to friends and felt behind.
Comparison is a trap. You can say, I felt like I wasn't keeping up, or I put pressure on myself.
And a helpful phrase, it's okay to be a work in progress. Short, kind, and true.
Third reason, uncertainty. Not knowing what will happen makes us anxious. Health, money, relationships, uncertainty touches everything.
When something feels uncertain, your mind might imagine worst-case scenarios. That's a natural defense, but it's not always helpful.
Useful language, I'm worried about the future, or I don't know what's going to happen. Simple and honest.
Now, let's pause and breathe. Deep breath. If you're listening and feeling heavy, please take a second to breathe with us.
Yes. Breathe in, 2, 3. Breathe out, 2, 3. Good. Small actions like breathing calm your body.
Okay, practical comfort time. We'll give 5 small ways to cope when life gets hard. Simple actions you can try today.
1. Break big problems into small steps. If a task feels huge, split it into tiny pieces. Celebrate each small win.
2. Talk to someone. It could be a friend, a family member, or a teacher. Saying things out loud helps.
3. Do something kind for your body. Sleep, water, move. Our body and mood are connected.
4, create a small routine. Even making your bed gives you a tiny sense of control.
5, limit bad news or social media when you feel overwhelmed. Too much information can make things worse.
Nice list. Let's give an example. Imagine you lose your job. That's very stressful. How do you use these 5 steps?
Step 1, break it down. Update your resume, talk to 3 people about leads, set small daily goals.
Step 2, talk. Share your feelings with a friend, saying, I lost my job. I'm scared. Simple and honest.
Step 3, body care. Try to sleep and eat reasonably. Exercise, even a short walk, helps your mood.
Step 4, routine. Keep a daily schedule. Job searching hours, break time, exercise time.
Step 5, limit news. Avoid doom scrolling about the economy. Focus on practical steps.
Now, let's teach some expressions you can use when comforting someone. If a friend says, life is so hard, you can reply,
I'm here for you. Short and powerful.
that sounds really tough. Shows you listen.
You're not alone. Simple truth.
Would you like to talk about it? Offer support and choice.
Can I help with anything? Practical kindness.
Great. Those are caring responses. Small language choices matter a lot.
Let's add a short role play. I'll be the listener. You be the friend who says life is hard. Ready?
Ready. John, life is so hard right now. I feel tired. I don't know what to do.
I hear you. That sounds really tough. I'm here for you. Do you want to talk about what's making it hard?
Yes, work has been too much, and I'm stressed about money. I can't sleep.
It makes sense you're tired. Losing sleep makes everything worse. Have you tried doing one small thing to feel better, like going for a short walk or talking to someone at work?
Maybe I can try a walk tomorrow morning.
Small step. That's a start. If you need, we can make a list of tiny steps together.
Thank you. That helps. I feel a little lighter.
Exactly. Sometimes planning tiny actions reduces the weight a bit.
Okay, now let's discuss emotional phrases you might hear or use. For example, I'm overwhelmed. I feel burnt out. I'm drained. I'm struggling.
Each phrase has a slightly different meaning. Overwhelmed is like too many things at once. Burnt out is long-term exhaustion. Drained feels like no energy. Struggling is a general way to say you need help.
That's useful. When someone says they're burnt out, a good response is, you've been through a lot. Maybe you need rest. Empathy plus suggestion.
And if someone says they're overwhelmed, you can offer, let's make a short to-do list together. Practical help.
Let's talk about mindset, the stories we tell ourselves. Often we think hard times mean something is wrong with us. But actually, hard times are part of being human.
Yes, it's like weather. Sometimes it's sunny, sometimes stormy. The storm doesn't mean the sky is broken forever.
Lovely metaphor. This too shall pass is an old phrase. It can feel cliché, but it's true. Feelings change.
Another mindset shift, instead of asking, why is life so hard? Try asking, what can I learn from this? That small shift focuses energy on growth, not defeat.
But a gentle warning, don't force learning when you're hurting. Sometimes the only right thing is rest and safety.
Absolutely. Growth is fine, but rest is also growth in a deeper way.
Let's give listeners a quick practice they can use right now, a simple reflection exercise. We'll call it 3 things.
Step 1, name one hard thing you're feeling right now. Say it out loud.
Step 2, name one small thing you did today, even if it seems tiny. It could be brushing your teeth.
Step 3, name one small hope, a tiny thing you can look forward to, like a cup of tea tomorrow.
Do it now if you can. How was that?
Even saying tiny things helps. It anchors you.
Before we wrap up, let's cover some vocabulary in a little mini list with definitions, quick and clear.
Resilience. The ability to recover from difficulties. Not a superpower, just practice.
Coping. The strategies we use to manage stress.
Support system. People who help you. Friends, family, community.
Boundaries. Limits you set to protect your energy.
Self-care. Actions you take to care for your health and well-being.
Now, some light humor because we promised energy. John, why did the anxious computer hide its feelings?
I don't know. Why?
Because it had too many tabs open.
That is painfully accurate.
All right, let's end with a short personal reflection. John, when life felt hard for you, what helped the most?
For me, talking to one person who really listened made a big difference. Also, small routines like walking in the evening. The combination of connection and tiny habits saved me.
For me, writing helped. I'd write a short note each night about one thing that went okay. It trained my brain to notice good things, even during hard stretches.
Those are concrete tools. Talk, move, write.
And remember, it's okay to ask for professional help if you need it. Therapists, counselors, hotlines, these are normal and brave steps.
Yes, saying, "I need help," is strong, not weak.
Okay, final takeaway. Life can be hard sometimes. That's part of being human. But small steps, honest talk, and tiny routines make a real difference.
You don't have to fix everything at once. Do one thing. Say one sentence. Take one breath.
Before we close, let's quickly run through a few common heart situations with short phrases you can use. This will help you speak clearly when it matters.
Sure. Grief. I'm so sorry for your loss. I'm here to listen. Keep it gentle.
Money stress. I'm dealing with financial issues. I'm making a budget. Offer practical help if you can.
Breakups. I'm heartbroken. I need time. Good replies. Take your time. I'm here.
Some quick phrasal verbs to know. Burn out, long-term exhaustion, hang in there, keep going, get through, survive.
Pronunciation tip. Say resilience. Try it with us.
Mini practice. Repeat after us. You're doing great. One step at a time. I'm here for you.
Short guided breath. Inhale, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, 4. Let your shoulders drop.
If you can, try a 5-word journal. Name one feeling, one small win, one tiny hope. That's it.
Final checklist. Name the feeling. Tell one person. Move your body a little. Make a tiny routine. Limit bad inputs.
A last story. My neighbor once gave me cookies and said, "You're allowed to be tired." That small kindness changed my week.
My grandma used to say storms wash things clean. It helped me remember that hard times don't stay forever.
Okay, final takeaway. Life is hard sometimes. That's part of being human. But small steps, honest talk, and tiny routines help.
You don't have to fix everything at once. Do one thing. Say one sentence. Take one breath.
If this episode helped you, please like and subscribe to English Podcast Arena. Tell us in the comments which topic you want next.
We read your messages. We care. From English Podcast Arena, I'm John.
And I'm Amelia. Take care. Talk soon. Bye.
Bye.